prophesied, and the bones they came together. Again he prophesied, and the flesh came upon them. Ezekiel prophesied unto the four winds. When they stood on their feet and they started to breathe, those bones they live again.
Some resurrection morning, if I'm buried deep, if in death I've closed my eyes and I've been laid to sleep, don't worry about me, brother, a promise has been made. Sure as I hear that trumpet sound, I'm gonna come up out of the grave.